Hey YouTube, this is a short video on the noise that the Xbox 360 Arcade makes with the intercooler at the back of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn the TV on first. Oh wow, just a minute. Just get that on. So here you can see the power brick is turned on, and yeah. Now I'm going to turn the Xbox 360 on, and you can see the large amount of sound it makes at the back. There's like a whole bunch of wires in here. Yeah, so you can see it works. So just gonna place this down over here for a while.